Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your username on TikTok. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, just go ahead and open up the TikTok app. You can do the same on your computer or even your phone. Just open up a browser if you don't have the TikTok app and just log into tiktok.com. All right. Once you're in here, okay, just go ahead over to your profile at the bottom right. Just tap on it. And besides your profile picture, you can just go ahead and straight up add a name, but a name is different to a username, okay? So just tap on edit right here. And as you can see, we have the name and the username. So basically, just tap on the username section right here. And when you change your username, your handle will be changed as well, okay? So just tap on it and go ahead and add in your preferred name, for example, this one. And once done, just tap away, make sure that the username is available. For example, I'm going to add in 97. And when we got the check mark, that means that it is available. Just hit on save if you're really sure, okay? And do take note, you can only change your username once every 30 days, all right? So once you're happy with that, just hit on save right here at the top. And once done, this one will close, all right? If it seems stuck right here, if it doesn't change, just go ahead and force restart your application, launch a TikTok once more, and after that, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.